Captain Ibrahim Traoré is the current interim president of Burkina Faso, having assumed power following a military coup in September 2022. At 36 years old, he is the youngest serving head of state globally. Early life and education. Born on March 14, 1988, in Kara, Bondakwi, within Burkina Faso's Muhan province. Traoré pursued his early education locally, before attending the University of Ouagadougou. There, he studied geology and was actively involved in student organizations, including the Association of Muslim Students and the leftist Association Nationale de Étudiants du Burkina, YNEB. Military career. Traoré joined the Burkina Faso Armed Forces in 2010 and rose to the rank of captain. By 2020, he served in various capacities, including as an artillery commander, and was involved in anti-terrorism operations against jihadist insurgents in the northern regions of the country. Rise to power. On September 30, 2022, Traoré led a coup that deposed then-leader Paul-Henri Santiago Damiba, citing dissatisfaction with Damiba's handling of the jihadist insurgency. Traoré was officially sworn in as transitional president on October 6, 2022. Political orientation and governance. Traoré identifies with the revolutionary ideals of former President Thomas Sankara, promoting anti-imperialism and Pan-Africanism. Under his leadership, Burkina Faso has sought to reduce French influence, expelling French forces in early 2023, and has strengthened ties with countries like Russia and Turkey. In September 2023, Burkina Faso became a founding member of the Alliance of Sahel States, a defense pact with Mali and Niger. The alliance aims to enhance regional security and has discussed the creation of a new currency to replace the CFA franc. Challenges and controversies. Traoré's tenure has faced significant challenges. Despite efforts to combat insurgent groups, large portions of the country remain under threat from jihadist attacks. In August 2024, a massacre in Barcelona resulted in significant civilian casualties, leading to public outcry over the government's response. Additionally, the junta has been criticized for suppressing dissent, including freezing the assets of political opponents and considering the reinstatement of the death penalty, which was abolished in 2018. Recent developments. In May 2024, Traoré extended his transitional presidency by 5 years, citing ongoing security concerns. This move has raised questions about the timeline for a return to civilian rule.